To start assembling your backdrop, lay the bag containing the hardware onto a table or an open floor. Remove the 2 metal feet from the bag. The 2 black vertical aluminum poles that have a sphere on the top. The 4 black horizontal aluminum poles that have a slot that is cut out on one end and an open hole on the other end. The 2 short metal connectors that will be used to put together the horizontal poles. 4 knobs to connect the horizontal poles to the vertical poles. 2 small black screws with the Allen wrench, and 6 elastic banner cords. Place the bag aside to make room for assembling the foot pole. Grab one of the vertical poles. One end has a sphere on top and the other is an open circle. Grab one of the metal feet and slide the top of the foot with the hole over the vertical pole's open circle side. Make sure the small circle cut out on the vertical pole is located on the side of the foot and not positioned on the front or back of the foot. The circle is located about 2 inches from the top of the foot's arch. Now insert one of the small black screws into the bottom of the foot so it goes into the bottom of the vertical pole. Screw this tightly into place using the Allen wrench, and make sure the hole on the pole is facing the correct way. Place this piece aside. Now grab the other vertical pole and the other foot and assemble this one in the same way as the other. Now we are going to assemble our horizontal poles. Grab one of the short metal poles and one of the horizontal poles. Locate the small hole on the side with the open end and line it up with the pin on the short metal pole. Push the pin in and push the metal pole into the horizontal pole till the push pin snaps into place. Grab another horizontal pole and insert it over the other short metal connector the same way we did the first. Grab another horizontal pole and insert it over the other short metal connector the same way we did the first. We recommend using 2 people to assemble the rest of the backdrop. Grab the print and unfold it so the width of the print is fully extended. Place the print on a clean floor. Next, grab the feet that are attached to the vertical poles and place them 3 inches away from each side of the print. With one of the horizontal poles, lay it down in the middle of the print and adjust the pole's length on both sides so the pole sticks out 2 inches from the print. Grab the other horizontal pole and line it up with the other pole to adjust its length in the same manner. Place one of the horizontal poles aside and slip the other pole into the print's top pole sleeve. Make sure the pole extends 2 inches past the print on both sides. Lift the horizontal pole up and line it up with the top holes on the vertical pole. Insert the black knobs into the vertical hole with the black part facing out and the screw end facing in. Now place the horizontal pole's end into the screw and tighten. Repeat for the other side. Grab 2 of the elastic banner cords and insert them into the print's 2 top grommets. Make sure you place the cords above the adjuster on the vertical poles. Now untighten the 2 top adjusters on each side of the vertical poles and push the poles all the way up and tighten the adjusters to keep the poles from sliding back down. Repeat this for the bottom adjuster and push the bars up till your print's bottom pole sleeve is leveled with the small bottom holes above the metal feet. Grab 2 more elastic banner cords and attach them to the 2 middle grommets on the print. Place the cord between the 2 adjusters on the poles. Next, grab the last horizontal pole and insert it into the print's bottom pole sleeve. Insert the black knobs into the vertical hole and place the horizontal pole's end into the screw and tighten. Repeat for the other side. Grab the last 2 elastic banner cords and attach them to the print's bottom 2 grommets. Your backdrop is now set up.